Alcyoneus is the universe's largest galaxy. It appears that the universe's version of Shrek may be a gigantic ogre galaxy so vast and terrifying that its inhabitants would flee at the first sight of it. As a tribute to the Greek mythical giant Alcyoneus, the Alcyoneus galaxy has been renamed Alcyoneus after a 163 million light-year wide galaxy that is 160 times larger than our Milky Way, the largest radio galaxy ever discovered, and its mysterious nature is the subject of today's clip, which takes us across the cosmos. One of the most unusual giants in the cosmos, Alcyoneus. It's time to break out the measuring sticks because things are about to become complicated. The original Star Wars film, which some call A New Hope, has a lot to say about parsecs. Despite Han Solo's claim that the Millennium Falcon can accomplish the castle run in less than 12 parsecs, this is a nonsensical claim because a parsec is a unit of measurement, not time, and the nearest star to Earth outside the Sun is Proxima Centauri, which is 1.3 parsecs away. Megaparsecs are enormous, since our nearest galaxy, Andromeda, is less than 0.9 megaparsecs away. For context, Alcyoneus has a diameter of at least 5.04 megaparsecs. This massive radio galaxy is 400,000 times wider than the fabled Castle Run, which Han Solo would have known if he had used parsecs or other units of distance instead of time. The previous record holder was IC-1101. In comparison, the newly demoted second-placed system is a mere 2 megaparsecs across, making it a mere wuss. Andromeda is the farthest object that can be seen with the unaided eye at a distance of 2.5 million light-years, while the Alcyoneus galaxies are 3 billion light-years away. When you see Andromeda, the light you're seeing began its journey to your backyard long before modern humans ever existed. To see Andromeda, you must follow your eyes plenty of time to adjust. There are over 22,000 antennas in Europe that make up the world's most powerful radio telescope, known as LOFAR, the Low Frequency Array. They were looking at the spread of cosmic web material, filaments, in Martin Oe and his PhD, supervisors at Leiden University. In the constellation of Lynx, they discovered what they called a stunning discovery, and it was right in front of their eyes. This discovery has already disproved some long-held ideas about the growth of radio galaxies, and it is likely to shed light on the mechanisms that drive radio galaxies' growth. But before these, it first set in motion a massive international search by astronomers in the Netherlands, the UK, and France. Why is radio light used instead of light in this situation? Black holes are found in the centers of most or all large galaxies, and matter is pulled into these monsters in a similar way to how water flows down a bathroom drain, but with a twist. The Earth's rotation influences water with its Coriolis effect at least slightly, but physicists say the swirling is more of accidental twist causation. It's dark when matter passes the event horizon, but before that time, the black hole blasts astrophysical jets from the galactic center or active galactic nuclei traveling at almost the speed of light, resulting in the material heating and dissolving into plasma, which in turn emits radio light, which may be detected from a long distance away. When scientists were able to reprocess an existing collection of photos in such a way that minor patterns were apparent, they discovered the absurdly enormous but dim Alcyoneus galaxy that had previously eluded their attention. Alcyoneus is so far away from us that it seems like a moon in the sky, indicating that whatever it is must be the longest thing ever built, due to the rather faint plumes being seen by reprocessing an old batch of photos. The radio eyes of the LOFAR telescope only saw the enormous UST today in a way that brought out the tiny patterns. It was like finding a needle in a haystack in the middle of our sky, a giant that had been lurking in plain sight. As a result, it is quite difficult to identify them. Alcyoneus is the largest structure in the universe that is thought to have come from another galaxy. It's a mystery how this interplanetary orgate developed so enormously. Despite initial suspicions that the supermassive black hole in Alcyoneus is exceptionally huge, astronomers continue to investigate. LOFAR appears to be a typical radio galaxy, if not the smallest, based on data from the galaxy. If only a black hole the size of Alcyoneus was required to form a galaxy of comparable size, then this would be the case. Out of a galaxy with relatively low density, what is creating these enormous but perplexing plumes? As OA points out, there are remarkable and thus far undiscovered processes at work in Alcyoneus. There are a variety of violent processes occurring within galaxies, such as jet streams and plumes, which extend out into the depths of space for millions or even hundreds of times the distance between them and the Sun. As astronomers strive to unravel the structure of the universe, astronomers hope that Alcyoneus may provide fresh insights. This is the extraordinarily intricate and massive web of gaseous and dark matter that connects everything in the universe. Some scientists believe that these enormous filaments represent the driving force behind the rotation of the cosmos as a whole. Have you ever thought about how big and rarefied the Alcyoneus plumes are, and how likely it is that they will be used to learn more about the cosmic web that connects the universe, despite their difficulty in seeing it? Even if it would be a challenging trip to make if only we could visit and view our cosmic Shrek in person. Alcyoneus, the famous Pergamon Museum in Berlin, includes a sculpture of the fabled giant that is not Shrek. Thank you for watching the video, and do take a minute to subscribe to our channel for more amazing content like this, and stay notified by pressing the bell icon so that whenever we upload a new video, you are notified. And let us know your thoughts in the comment section below, and as always, thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Do give us a big thumbs up, share this video, share it with your friends, and see you next time. Until then, enjoy your time. Cheers.